So let's just see another example when the numerator is greater than the denominator, but now the rational number is nothing but negative. So let us suppose we are talking about a rational number which is of the type minus 11 by 5. So like we did before, you have to neglect the negative sign first. So as we know, the numerator over here is nothing but 11 and the denominator is nothing but 5. So obviously numerator is nothing but greater than the denominator. So we have to convert this particular rational number into the mixed fraction first. So minus 11 by 5 can be converted as negative of, okay, so when we will divide 11 by 5, so it is nothing but 5 and 11. So 5 2s are 10 and the remainder is nothing but 1. So it means that 11 by 5 can be converted as 5, 2 and 1. So this is my mixed fraction. So minus 11 by 5 can be written as minus 2, 1 by 5. So now from this particular mixed fraction, we can say that this is nothing but in between the point minus 2 and the coming integer, which is nothing but minus of 3. So it means that from this particular integer, we can say that the minus 1 or minus 11 by 5 rational number is in between the rational number minus 2 and the coming integer, which is nothing but minus 3. So let us suppose I'm plotting it. Let us suppose we'll plot it as this, and we have to plot minus 2 first, minus 2 and the coming particular integer, which is nothing but minus of 3, because after minus of 2 the coming integer is nothing but minus of 3. Now we have to see this particular fraction, which is nothing but 1 by 5. So we have to divide the whole section into the 5 equal section, as the denominator over here is nothing but 5. So divide it into the 5 equal section as, let us suppose I'm dividing it as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is my first section, this is the second one, this is the third one, this one is the fourth, and this one is the fifth section. So we are talking about the first section out of the 5 sections. So it means that this particular point is nothing but minus of 11 by 5. This point will represent minus of 11 by 5. So let us suppose I'm talking about minus of 12 by 5. So in the same way, you have to convert 12 by 5 into the mixed fraction, and minus 12 by 5 can be written as minus of 2 by 5. So it means that again this particular rational number is nothing but lies in between this integer, that is minus of 2, and the coming integer, which is minus of 3. And further you have to divide the whole section into the 5 equal section like I did over here, and we are talking about the second section out of the fifth one. So the second section over here is nothing but this one, and the ending point of the second section is this. So this particular point is nothing but representing minus of 12 by 5. So goes on. So if this particular point is minus 11 by 5, this is minus 12 by 5. So obviously this point is nothing but minus of 13 by 5. This will be minus 14 by 5, and this will be minus of 15 by 5. As when we will divide minus 15 by 5, so the answer is nothing but minus of 3. So if we are talking about minus of 2, it is nothing but minus of 10 by 5, and the counting so goes on. So this is minus 10 by 5, minus 11 by 5, 12 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5, 15 by 5, 16 by 5, 17 by 5, and so goes on. So this is nothing but all about the concept in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. So I hope the whole concept is all clear to you.